In this video, I'm going to talk about constituents and constituency tests. Sentence. Sentence is not just a random sequence of words. Sentences are usually organized into larger units, and these units become part of the sentence. Those units are very important, and also they are something studied in syntax. These units are called constituents. So, what are constituents? Constituents are the units of language that work together to make up the sentence. You can also say that constituents are the intermediary level between word level and sentence level. They can be morphemes, phrases, and clauses. For example, the man with the old brown shoes is the manager. So here in this sentence, the noun phrase the man is a constituent that also contains the preposition phrase constituent with the old brown shoes. Let's move to the constituency tests. There are certain tests that can be done to determine whether any set of words in a sentence is a constituent. So here in this video, we are going to discuss some of them. First type, substitution tests. Substitution test has two types. First type, substitution with proform. In this test, a constituent can be replaced with its appropriate proform. For example, the man stole the money. So here I can replace the man with the pronoun he, so it becomes he stole the money. Or I can replace the money with the pronoun it, so it becomes the man stole it. Second type is substitution with a null string, and this type is usually found with verb phrases. It's similar to ellipsis or deletion, and it is found with verb phrase ellipsis with response. Can you drive the car? Yes, I can. We don't say yes, I can drive the car. With coordination, Emily will go to the cinema and her brother will go to the cinema. Instead of saying that, we can just say Emily will go to the cinema and her brother will too. With tag questions, Sarah won't come to school. Will she come to school? We will say Sarah won't come to school. Will she? Intrusion test. This test involves inserting a word or a phrase into a sentence. If the inserted word or phrase fits smoothly with the sentence, then it suggests that surrounding words form a constituent. For example, Sarah bought a book. It will be Sarah quickly bought a book. We will notice that even after we inserted the adverb quickly, it fitted with the sentence without affecting the meaning. Standalone test, or as known as answer fragment or isolation test. It's a test used to determine whether a particular phrase or a word can function independently as a complete sentence that can stand alone as an answer to a question. For example, Sarah's brother baked these delicious cookies. What did Sarah's brother bake? Delicious cookies. Who baked these delicious cookies? Sarah's brother. So here, delicious cookies and Sarah's brother are a constituents. Movement test. If you can move a group of words together as a unit and then sentence remains grammatical, then surely those groups are a constituent. The topicalization, it is the easiest movement test. We just rearrange the sentence. For example, the cat slept on the bed. On the bed, the cat slept. James ran a marathon yesterday. Yesterday, James ran a marathon. Clefting. Clefting has three types. It clefting, its template is it plus verb to be plus that or WH word. Example, the boy found the ball. It was the boy who found the ball. Pseudo-clefting. Its template is WH word, subject plus verb. The boy caught the butterfly. What the boy caught was the butterfly. Third type is all clefting. This type focuses only on the whole clause. Example, the tired doctor was all who slept. Heavy constituent shift. In this test, the constituent is moved to the end of the sentence. It is used in the sentence that contains heavy noun phrase that may contain a lot of information or being too long. For example, I bought yesterday a book about linguistics. So it will be I bought a book about linguistics yesterday. Coordination test. This test deduces that only constituents can be coordinated and joined by a coordinator, such as and or. Example, he enjoys writing sentences and reading them. He enjoys, but she hates writing sentences. Overall, if we discover a string of words that passes these tests, then we know that the phrase is a constituent, and that tells us something about the organization of the sentence as a whole. Not every constituent will pass every test, but if you have found that it passes two of those tests, then you can be confident that the string is actually a constituent. Thanks for watching.